Oh my god, he's still wing. Hello, penguin. He's waddling, he's waddling. Where's he waddling
When I
to?
first met you then, now you were nothing. You were just sitting on the couch with that rich.
Oh my god, he's doing the same thing here. Going for a swing. No, it's a lie. Look at how he waddles.
The more we got to spend, my feelings grew.
He's waiting for food.
I didn't think I'd be attracted to your type, boy. The summer when we kissed, beginning of our secret love.
I messed up like
Why?
I guess
Really? Really? They look like giraffe, but like the skinny version of giraffe.
I want to see them bend the leg like that then.
Can meh? Oh, that's when they sleeping, not meh? Are they coming back here? Like a gang
Their
war?
leg look like two times.
No, it's two twigs. There.
Then they will stand like that.
Yes.
Don't come here, go away. Hello?
He's coming here.
No, I'm sure.
Oh my god, he's pedaling, B. He's pedaling. Oh my god, he's going with us. Oh my god, he's swimming faster. What the heck?
Me, I was so obsessed with thinking. When you confess your feelings, you ask me how I feel. I said I feel lonely without you by my side. Don't need a reason why. Baby, you got me going all around you. I can't resist myself, cause I just need you. The way you pull me, your summer cologne's got me free.
Hello.
Summer cologne's got me falling to my knees. I don't need much, baby. I just need you right here next to me. Summer cologne's got me free. Summer cologne's got me falling to my knees. I don't need much, baby. I just
I don't know.
I don't think they will. I think they're walking with you.
But they are walking very slowly.
So what's the can happen? 一文呀，
Later they pick very painful, you know.
你看嘛，
他的毛哦，头发的毛哦。
他打起，
No, later he beat you.
他这个小鱼。
I mean, he's so scary. He looks like he's staring at people. Staring into people's soul. I don't know.
Who would have thought that this would happen? The more we got to spend, my feelings growing. I didn't think I'd be attracted to you.
Quite. I don't think. I think he's too fat. What's his what? Also, what does he do? Is he a quack? Is he a duck? Or is he just a bird?
I can't resist myself, cause I just need you here.
They are cousins of flamingo. They are all cousins of flamingo. Oh my god.
I don't need much, baby. I just need you right here next to me. Yeah.
Oh my god, hello. Yeah. Is he happy that he got food?
My words are beating the night that you had left me. I was so obsessed with thinking when you.
He looked like he got four like
You
two
asked me
beakers.
how I feel. I said I feel lonely without you by my side.
Couldn't he swallow the whole thing? Just
Cute.
How colour 很 bright.
Insect.
Really? So insect will be attracted to his beak, man. Oh my god, there's another one behind. He's grooming his beak. Oh my god, 它的脚是蓝色哎 Or is it just me?
Like the new Adidas.
Yes. New Adidas shoe.
Adidas 2跟
Their coat very smooth, yeah. Like looks very smooth. No, like the whole of their body. Yeah. Different design. Adidas 2.0. Adidas 3.0. Yeah, you looking at that.
You think when he see he use one eye, I thought he use both eye.
I'm pretty sure it's like us. Just that his vision is like... Just like how we can see our nose, but you just pretend you cannot see our nose, right? What?
You wrap your arms around me, my heart begins to stutter, my words are beating. The night that you had left me, I was so obsessed with thinking when you
Gonna eat the food now.
You asked me how I feel, I said I feel lonely without you by my side.
Oh my god, I saw.
Baby, you got me going. I can't resist myself 'cause I just need you.
That's not a flamingo.
That's a fat flamingo. Italian pasta. Nom. Nom 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 nom.
You want to take picture with you and the two birds?
No.